Platforms that pay users to watch videos exist, but the amount of time required and the rewards available can vary widely depending on the platform and available tasks. By the end, you'll know how video reward platforms work, what to check before signing up, and whether they are worth your time in 2026. Getting paid to watch videos usually works through rewards websites and apps that partner with advertisers, content providers, or market research companies. Users may earn rewards by watching videos, advertisements, sponsored content, or completing related activities. The reason companies pay for this activity is simple. Advertisers want people to view and interact with their content, and some platforms share part of that value with users. The first thing to understand is that watching videos is usually not the same as having a job. These platforms typically do not provide guaranteed hours or a fixed income. Your results depend on how many videos are available, the reward system, and the amount of time you spend completing tasks. Some platforms combine video watching with other activities. These may include surveys, offers, games, or other online tasks. Having multiple options can make the platform more useful because you are not limited to one activity. Before signing up, check how the rewards work. Look at the payout methods, minimum withdrawal requirements, and whether the platform clearly explains how users earn rewards. You should also check user reviews and avoid websites that require payment to join. Legitimate reward platforms generally do not require you to pay money before accessing basic earning opportunities. The best way to test these platforms is to track your time. Spend a limited amount of time trying the available tasks, then compare the rewards you receive with the effort required. If you already spend free time watching online content, these platforms may provide a small extra reward for that activity. If you are looking for reliable income, video reward platforms may not meet that goal. The value comes from convenience and flexibility, not replacing a regular paycheck. The main points are simple. Getting paid to watch videos is a real type of online reward activity. The earnings depend on available tasks and time spent, and you should review the platform details before committing your time. Your next step is to choose a legitimate platform, test it for a short period, and decide whether the rewards are worth the time you invest. If this helped you understand whether getting paid to watch videos is worth your time in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online earning reviews.